So back in 2012, we were looking to acquire a company called NET, and NET had quite a large deployment of Microsoft Lync for about 150 people. And we also had a Microsoft deployment of the earlier version of the Microsoft UC stack. So when we looked at NET, we said, boy, that would really help both companies, especially as we do the integration and the merge of the two companies. So we said, let's embark on and implement that for ourselves as well. We did not have a unified communications platform for Sonus, and we have offices all around the world. And typically, we would just do voice. We would use third-party conferencing, which is audio only. We had some departmental or conference room type video systems that we would use, but we really didn't have a true UC platform. So as we upgraded our Microsoft infrastructure in general, we saw this as an opportunity to really take advantage of UC, and in addition, use our own products which support the Microsoft Lync environment. We can start to use those in that same infrastructure and take advantage and learn and be able to support our own products in that environment. The big area that we saw for cost reduction was in the area of using outside conferencing services. Again, these are audio conferencing services that we spend money on. So by implementing Lync and bringing that in-house, we've had about a 200% return on investment. And real dollars. The big feature of Microsoft Lync, and it's really sort of one of the simpler features, is the presence feature. So you can tell if someone's available, or they're in a meeting, or they're out of the office. And you start with that feature, and by identifying if a person's available, you can quickly contact them either through an instant message, through a video call, through a voice call. Once you establish that connection, then you can turn that into a conference with multiple parties. You can share desktops, share presentations amongst multiple parties. So that, again, when we have offices around the world, all different time zones, it gives people just a much greater ability to actually share content of the things that they're working on. Lync is really kind of a new paradigm for people that are involved in the Microsoft world for typical sysadmins. So typically, the Microsoft system admins and telecoms admins are sort of two different worlds. But now with Microsoft Lync, there's really a convergence of the two worlds. You're kind of your traditional system admins and your traditional telecoms. So you want to be able to look at your sysadmins and see if you can develop them into telecoms type people, and vice versa, see if you can develop telecoms people into Microsoft sysadmin people. And sometimes you can merge the two categories. And the other sort of more basic advice is that we found is, especially on the voice side, you need to make sure people go out and implement the Microsoft certified, the Lync certified microphones and headsets as they're recommended to do. So a lot of people try to use their laptop microphones and speakers, and the sound quality and the voice quality is just not there. If you use the certified devices, the sound quality is fantastic.